Hi, one and all. The subject name is Engineering Economics and Financial Accountings. The list of content is what is economics, what is nature of managerial economics, and what are the scopes of managerial economics, problems of managerial economics. Okay, then what is made demand. Okay, now first one is economics. Economics is a study man in the ordinary business of entire life. Okay, is called economics. The next thing is definition of microeconomics. Micro mean small industries. Okay, macro means large industries involved in the economics. The first thing is microeconomics. The microeconomics is the study of everything in individual units. Okay, for example, individual demand of the product. Okay, individual income of an organization. Okay, all the things are microeconomics. The next one is macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is the study of everything in aggregate units. For example, market demand. Okay, then aggregate income of organization is called macroeconomics. Definition of managerial economics mean application of economics principles in business decision making is called managerial economics. The next thing is nature of managerial economics. It is considered as a study helpful in taking decision of a firm related to economy, right? It is a microeconomics in characteristics that is related to a firm. The next nature is it is goal oriented profit maximization by optimal use of resources. Okay. The next thing is scope. Scope of managerial economics. The following items are scopes of managerial economics. The first one is demand analysis and forecasting. Second one is cost analysis. Third, pricing theories. Profit analysis. Fourth one. Fifth one, capital budgeting. Sixth one, competition in the market. Now, first one is demand analysis and forecasting. For making choice of business, that is what to produce and how much to produce of goods. Okay, the first thing is demand analysis and forecasting. The second thing is cost analysis. In this cost analysis, you have to choose the factors of production. Then only you have to identify all the things. Okay, the pricing theories. Next one is to decide price in the market. That means to compare the price of the product. Okay, which one is suitable price, okay, of the product. The next thing is profit analysis. Profit analysis nothing but to find the break even point. Okay, and the fifth one is capital budgeting. That means for investment decision of the organization. Okay, then next thing is last one is competition in the market. For decision business strategy is a competition market. Okay, next one is problems of managerial economics. The problems are managerial economics nothing but the identifying the business problem related to resource allocation. Okay, then pricing problems, inventory problems, investment problems. These are all the problems of managerial economics. Okay, these are the basic concept of microeconomics: production, consumption, exchange, land. Okay, these are all basic definitions. Okay, labor, capital, organizations. These are all. The next thing is demand. The demand is an economic principle referring to a consumer desire to purchase goods and services and willingness to pay a price for a specific goods or services. An increasing in the price of goods or services will decrease the quantity demanded and vice versa. Okay, this is the last one, demand curve. The figure shows x-axis represent the quantity and y-axis represent the price one. Q0, Q1 is the quantity, P1, P2 is the price. Okay, here price value increase mean quantity value reduced. If price value reduce mean quantity value increased. Okay, this is a demand curve. Okay, thank you all.